If you love corn like I do, you are going to love this one. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make this corn casserole. The first thing I'm going to do is turn the oven on, and I'm going to turn this on to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. To a bowl, I'm going to add 1 can of whole kernel sweet corn that I drained. To that, I'm adding 1 can of cream style sweet corn. I'm going to melt half cup of butter and add that to it. Two beaten eggs. And 1 container of sour cream. Mix that until everything is combined. I love this recipe so much because I love corn. I always joke and tell my hubby that I should make a channel just about corn. Okay, now I'm going to add 1 package of Jiffy corn muffin mix, and this is what makes it so good. Mix that really well. I just went ahead and sprayed my baking dish with some cooking spray. You're going to bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. At this point, it's still not done, but I want to put some cheese on top, so I'm putting some sharp cheddar cheese on top that I grated. If you don't want to, you don't have to put the cheese, but in my opinion, the cheese makes it even better. Okay, I'm going to bake this an additional 15 minutes. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness, I couldn't wait to eat it, but I had to let it cool down a little bit before I cut it because it was just way too hot. This is the perfect side dish. I mean, you just can't go wrong with it. If you love corn like I do, you are going to love this one. I had to go in and get that crispy piece because, well, that's just the best part. So yeah, it's a little bit sweet, it's a little bit savory, it's just so good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you give it a try. And and thank you for watching. I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.